Hello, my fellow grocery addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I am trying to make a meal plan that is using things that I have on hand. It reduces my grocery budget and helps to eliminate food waste. Two really great things. So let's get in the store, get all the rest of the items I need, and any supplemental items I need, I'm getting from Walmart today instead of Meijer. Now, let's get into Aldi first and see what they have. Okay, so I was really hoping for red stickers on the naan. No such luck, but I still am gonna get two, one for each night of butter chicken, $4.65 a piece. Woo. And I'm getting the garlic. I'm gonna get this Italian bread for our BLTs, $2.25 and then $1.39. I'm getting the classic white for my son's peanut butter sandwiches and his lunch. I need cilantro. Oh, that's parsley. I need cilantro for butter chicken, 65 cents, and green onions for 95 cents for sesame noodles. Not sure how much longer we'll be able to buy strawberries. They're definitely getting out of season, but they're $2.29 a pound, and I'm gonna get 2 pounds of them. My kids like them. They're easy lunch additions. We always love to have salad stuff on hand, so I'm gonna get some lettuce, $3.15, and also French green beans for a side with dinner, $2.99. $2.69 for Brussels sprouts. I'm making those tonight with sesame noodles. Running low on mandarins. I put at least one every day in my son's lunch, and then he loves to snack on them. $3.59. I tried these last week. I thought they were really good. I'm gonna get this. It looks good. Greek pumpkin spice yogurt, $1.22. I'm just gonna get one of them. Of course, if I'm making lasagna, I need ricotta cheese. So I don't know what the difference between whole milk and skim milk. Always go whole milk. Red's the whole milk, $2.29. I'm getting butter just to make sure I have enough for butter chicken, $3.99. The charcuterie area is really nice and stocked. All the stuff looks really good here. $4.49 for 10 pounds of potatoes. I'm making potato wedges this week. Potatoes are always good to have on hand. Getting 2 cans of diced tomatoes for the butter chicken, 95 cents a piece. I had to add salads this week to my meal plan because I was excited beets are back. $1.79. I love these on my salad. I'm getting more celery because my son likes this in his lunch lately, $1.79. Getting these bacon bits for our salads, $1.95. I wanted to get artichokes for the salads, but they're out of them. Bummer. Oh, chili sauce is back. That's always a holiday item. Okay, I bought these last week, and all my kids just went right through them. Or maybe it was 2 weeks ago, but I need more. $1.99, and they are on the apple kick. So we're getting 2 boxes of apple. This is pretty cool. They have a cuddly cactus. It actually doesn't have much prick to it. $12.99. Different flower things, bulbs. Oh, I've seen these before. Bubble waffle maker. We're actually having waffles this week, but we just have a regular old waffle maker. Stock pot, water bottles. A lot of this is familiar. Been around a while. This is pretty cool. A bread making kit, $14.99. These things, they just can't get rid of them. Mini Dutch oven. Oh, these things are pretty nice. Collapsible funnel. Nothing really new here. Not too much new, I guess I should say. I thought about buying this compost bin, and now it's $2 off. Okay, so I could have my son dump this in the backfield every day with my scraps. I would not use the bags regularly, so I'm gonna end up getting this. Someone opened it, saved me $2. Sweet. So much Halloween decor, and these are cute little festive earrings, $4.99. A giant spider web, different string lights. So cute. I really like the eyeball, $4.99. We have so much Halloween decor at our house. It's not even funny. It's an obsession of my son's, and my husband happily goes along with it. It's their thing they do together. Locked skulls, skeleton heads, different gnomes. Lots of fun here. Oh, this is interesting. An inverted umbrella. They're $9.99, and children's umbrellas $4.99. Cushion for a chair, $19.99. Now we're getting into fancy stuff. They have plush leggings in green, gray, black, small through extra large. They're $6.99, and different pleated pants. And it looks like they might have a pocket on them. And those are $9.99. And plush holiday leggings. Oh, and then here's a dress. I wish they had this dress in that blue color of the pants. Really cute gauze pajamas. I really like those. And then boot socks here. They're on sale, so I must have had these a while. I haven't noticed them. More pet beds. These are adorable, and they're $14.99. I need to get my lasagna noodles from Walmart because I don't like oven ready ones. I just think the texture's off on leftovers, so I get the ones I have to boil, even though it's a pain. I'm gonna get tomato, basil, and garlic for my lasagna, $1.65. $1.89 for 2 pounds of spaghetti. I'm gonna use these for the sesame noodles. Okay, I need a pound of beef for my lasagna, $4.79. I don't think this is new, I just haven't noticed it, but this is like the Kevin's cauliflower and cheese, which I really like. It's very yummy and low cal, low carb. You could eat this entire thing for just about 500 calories. $4.99. I'm getting blue cheese for salads. I love this stuff, $3.19. And then when I was over here, Aldi always has lots of fun looking new cheeses. The spicy Gouda has caught my eye. I'm gonna get this as well, $3.39, with no plans for it. We're dealing with a lot of empty coolers here, but I'll show you what we have. Stuffed nachos, pumpkin and feta flatbread, sweet onion chili jam. They have the shaped pizzas. A lot of this is leftover stuff that we've seen, cauliflower, broccoli bake, different German vegetables, things. There's crispy wings over there and broccoli bites. That looks yummy. I have to go around and look at that in a second. Chicken and pork wonton soup, that's $2.99. We have the schnitzel, we've seen this. Raviolis, pretzels, spätzle, lots of things that we've seen. Just moved around a bit. Must be making room for something. The rest of the German desserts are down here. These are cute jack-o'-lantern pops, $2.49. They're orange colored, vanilla flavored. I'm not tempted enough. They're $2.49 though. $7.99. These are new. There's 6 hot patties in here, and it's best if you fry them in oil. I might have to consider that for next week. It's not on this week's meal plan, but I want to see if my husband would like those. $7.99. Okay, these are $3.49, and this is what I wanted to come see. My daughter, the vegetarian, loves cauliflower bites. So they suggest that you bake it in the oven or air fryer, and then you add the sauce. I'm actually gonna, I don't know, I feel like she might like these. We're gonna give these a try, $3.49. Okay, on the other side I also see they have mini meatballs. I love this. $5.49, and they also have Swedish meatballs, but I'm gonna get these. I don't have a plan for them. This is how my freezer gets stocked and how I end up working through things, but there's not a ton of them, and I like to have meatballs on hand for myself even when my meat eaters don't eat it. $3.79 for mozzarella for the lasagna. Okay, here's what my husband wants. Oops, I'm gonna move these over. They're not supposed to be there. Cinnamon rolls, and he puts them in a waffle maker to make cinnamon roll waffles. $2.19. My family goes in waves of drinking these, but they're back on it, so I'm gonna get more. $3.79 for lemon. Okay, I need 2 things of broccoli, $1.15 a piece. And they don't have my cauliflower rice. That's a bummer. I use that for butter chicken. Hash browns to go with the waffle dinner, $5.49. So tomorrow's October 1st, and you can tell because we have all of the Halloween candy here. Holy Stromboli. I haven't seen this before. Hazelnut biscuits. It has filled with hazelnut and cocoa cream, $2.99. They have different herring fillets, and not my cup of tea, but maybe yours. There's not much new in the Aldi Finds food aisle besides the candy, and my personal favorite, I love these mini trick-or-treat bags. The Haribo, $9.94, and you get 80 bags. You know what, let's get one. I'm gonna get this. This is my favorite. $9.94. I love the snack size, but I want to see if you actually get 80 bags. We'll test that. We'll see. Okay, so here is what I'm getting from Aldi. Any guess on the total? And I have more to get at Walmart. But the rest of the stuff comes from my fridge, freezer, and pantry. Okay, my total is $118.19. Now let's go to Walmart. Although I do have to grab a sneak peek for next week with all the Halloween items. I'm doing Walmart instead of Meijer today because I have a return to make. Kill 2 birds with 1 trip. Okay, I don't normally share a ton of makeup stuff, but I need more light shimmery eyeshadows, so I'm gonna get this for $3. And then I need brown mascara if they have it, which thankfully they do. They have one of them, $6. And then I want a brush for my eyebrows. That's lashes. I don't actually color in my eyebrows. I just need a brush. So I'm gonna do, I think this guy is. So some makeup stuff, e.l.f. Always have liked e.l.f. We've been missing this for a while, Sriracha. I think that one's just bigger. I don't want it quite that big. $4.72. Okay, looking for lasagna noodles. We will get these ones right here. Nope, these ones. $1.84. Okay, my son has been wanting mozzarella sticks after school. It's a high protein snack. I air fry them. $11.98 for these, and he likes these the best. Okay, in a weird turn of events, cauliflower rice isn't here either. It's a miracle I remembered, and for them to not have it is a bummer, but I guess I'll just steam cauliflower. I'll survive if it's not riced, right? So $1.16 for a bag of that. Okay, so I spent $32.42 at Walmart. Now let's go home and see the meal plan. Okay, the meal plan for the week. We have leftover Thai food from my husband's birthday yesterday, so I'm going to make sesame noodles and Brussels sprouts, and then we'll have the leftovers with that. Tuesday, my daughter Elsie requested buttered chicken, so we're going to have buttered chicken. I make that with broccoli, rice, cauliflower rice, toasted naan, and paneer. It's a whole to-do, so when I take time to make it, we also have it for leftovers at another time that week. So we're having that 2 nights this week. Wednesday, my girls and I are going homecoming dress shopping out of town, and that means my husband's going to be making a quick dinner. He's in charge, and he wanted to make cinnamon waffles. So you take canned cinnamon rolls, you make waffles out of them, hash browns, and then bacon. I already have bacon, which inspired me wanting to make this, but also BLTs. So we're going to have BLTs on Friday with homemade potato wedges and maybe canned corn. Saturday, my middle daughter Elsie is turning 13 next week, but she's having friends over on Saturday for like a mini birthday party. she's turning 13. Well, it's actually not a mini. It's actually a big party. But we're having pizza for dinner, essentially. You'll probably see an entire haul about this birthday party. She's inviting all of 7th grade over. We're going to have an outdoor movie night, pizza. It's going to be a lot of fun. You only turn 13 once. 13's kind of a big deal. But bottom line for meal plan, carry out pizza. And then Sunday, I'm making a lasagna. That has been sounding so good to me. I love lasagna. Not everyone in my family does, so we'll have plain pasta on the side. I'm gonna make homemade breadsticks and green beans. That'll be delicious. And you might be seeing this as a leftover next week because, as I mentioned, I'm the only one in my family that loves lasagna. So here's what we're doing this week. And if you wanna see exactly how I do butter chicken start to finish, not just the butter chicken itself, but the entire meal, you can watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao down and ciao.